Hey guys, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Kik in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to kik.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. Now, click on your profile picture up in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Scroll down until you see the username section. But before you can change it, you'll need to enable two-factor authentication. Go ahead and click Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Kik will give you a set of characters. Copy that code, then open the Google Authenticator extension from the Chrome Web Store. In the extension, choose Add Manually and paste in the code you just copied. You'll get a 6-digit code, copy it, head back to Kik, and paste it into the field. Then hit Verify to finish setting up two-factor authentication. Once that's done, go back to the username section, type in your new username, and click Save Changes. And that's it. Your Kik username has been successfully changed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.